I'm good.
I think we should.
I don't think so.
I think we should.
As a group, we can't suck.
We can.
We
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I will not join in.
Real happy New Year.
Do the stripper.
Welcome back to the AA Skin Babes pod. On today's pod, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas. That sounded so scripted.
We did good. We just want to tell all the clients, we are just so blessed to have each and every one of you. You guys make our days so much better, and you are the reason why we keep coming back and doing this every year. Because Laura and I and Heather, we're about ready to retire, but we probably won't.
Retire. Lord. We're not a day over 40.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. You're right. So
let me just say, is everyone hoping to unwrap a bottle of some SkinBetter this year?
yes. And if you don't, I'm sure you got some money someplace. You can go and apply it to some skincare and gift cards. But SkinBetter is just
Literally the perfect
hands
gift.
down the best. We love it, and that's why we chose it. And it's only a couple of products is get you by. You don't have to have layers and layers of product. So apply your gift certificates and apply your money to great skincare for the new year, because you will be amazed what a difference after 3 months your skin will
You
make
also will not find this stuff on Amazon, Walmart.com. You will not find it there. You have to have a professional to buy it. And so you can go to our website and you can purchase it from our website because we are professionals that can carry it.
And when you go and you purchase it off our website, it shoots me an email and says what you purchased. And so if you purchase something that I don't think is right for you, I will give you a call. And I'll be like, okay, let's do a different regime. But that we monitor what our clients buy to make sure you're on the right product lines. So
No two skins the same.
You're
That's
right.
right. So we just want to let you all know that we love you. And thank you for being such amazing people.
And without you, we would not have a podcast.
Yeah.
This has been
Keep
so much
following
fun.
and, listen to us on, what was it, Spotify?
Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Amazon, or go to YouTube. You can watch it. And that's really entertaining.
It is.
See our faces.
Right.
And see my shock whenever things come out of your guys' mouths.
Sometimes those faces are so good.
They really are, though.
And you wonder why I say off the wall shit like that.
You are good at it, sis.
All right.
Why don't we end it with jingle bells?
No.
1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey! All right,
Merry
follow
Christmas.
us. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Follow us on Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon, whatever you get your podcast. And have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.